Hello everyone and welcome to the Arts Council of Ladysmith and District and the Ladysmith Waterfront Gallery. Today we're going to be creating these fun little envelopes using brown paper bags. So we're going to go through the supply list and then we'll get started. So for these cards, as you can see here, these are the ones we're going to do today, and these are just a couple of blank ones that I've done. As you can see, you can do all sorts of sizes. So the main material we're going to need is we're going to need brown paper bags. The other thing you're going to need is you're going to need a pencil. You're going to need some scissors. You're going to need a ruler. And you're going to need a glue stick. But the decorating, I'm going to leave up to you guys because you can do whatever you'd like to decorate your cards. So we're going to take a brown paper bag. It doesn't matter what size because we're going to be cutting this up. We can cut into our bag. Take a corner, preferably not the one that's ripped here. Maybe one of these corners here. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it over so it creates a triangle. And then as you can see, there's all this excess here, and there's all this excess on the side here because it's not straight. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut those off. Okay, we're going to open it up and we're going to have our square. We're now going to fold it the other way as well too. So we're going to fold it over and then make a crease so that when we open up, we have a crease going this way and a crease going this way, and there's our center point for the piece of paper. The next part we're going to do is we're going to take one of our points, doesn't matter what side, and we're going to fold it in to the center. Take the opposite point of the one we just folded in, so this one here, and we're also going to fold it in to the center and make the crease. Our next step is going to be folding one of the bottom pieces up to create the bottom of our envelope. So we're just going to fold it up so that it passes these 2 points. Our next step after that is we're going to be taking our ruler, just drawing a line across the top piece here. So where this piece meets our center piece, and on this side too, we're going to draw a line from this point to this point here. Fold this over at the pencil mark we made, so the pencil mark is hidden. And there we go. So this piece is going to go on the inside of these 2 pieces. So grab your glue stick if that's what you're going to use. So we're going to glue starting here along the edge, this piece here, along the edge to here. We're not going to glue in here because if we glue in here, then we will not be able to open our envelope. And then we're just going to fold it over, fold down our little bit on the inside. The last step before you get to creating with your pens and markers and crayons or whatever you have at home, we're going to just fold this over a bit to create the flap of the envelope. You can grab your markers, your pens, and your crayons, and you can create your own envelope. Anyway, thanks for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed this project. Don't forget to follow us on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos.